Why, hello there. You are watching the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat. I have your astrological forecast going from today, December the 12th, through Saturday, December the 18th, which is my birthday. And it's also a full moon on Saturday as well. More on that in a moment. But first, we are going to get started like we always do by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third deep cleansing breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, negativity, all the toxicity. We see it all flowing out of our bodies, just flowing away. And in its place, we see our bodies being filled with this beautiful white light, made up of white light, love, power, and goodwill. And this light not only fills our entire body, but it goes out and forms a protective bubble of white light, made up of white light, love, power, and goodwill all around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun and Sagittarius affirmation. I set my goal of expansion. I reach that goal, and then I set another. We'll say the affirmation together. We'll stay in this space connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation. I set my goal of expansion. I reach that goal, and then I set another. Good work. And just as a little just to get us into this week's astrological energy, the affirmation, I set my goal of expansion, that is going to be summed up for us on the full moon in Gemini this coming Saturday on December 18th. But before we get to that, let's start with today and going through to get through Saturday, right? So this week starts off, this Sunday starts off December the 12th with a continuation of the bullshit from last week. The only difference with today is we are just getting really tired of it. We're getting so tired of obstruction after obstruction being thrown in our face, and we feel like we're just edgy and we want to get moving and we want to get going, and we're just like anxious, and we're like anything could set us off. And then on Monday, we do have 2 major energy shifts that kind of answer this edginess on Sunday. We have Mercury moving into Capricorn, and now we have Mars moving into Sagittarius. So now our enthusiasm comes back. We're feeling more sure of ourselves on Monday with that Mars moving into Sagittarius, and we're feeling more enthusiastic. Our faith is back. We're feeling more generous too. And we're kind of getting into the spirit of the season. We want to help others. We have that going on. But then we also have Mercury, who moved out of Sagittarius and moves into Capricorn on Monday as well. These are both happen on Monday, December 13th. And this kind of settles that enthusiastic, that passion, that fire, that excessiveness down a little bit, and we think, oh, well, yeah, it really is nice to be generous, but we need to be financially responsible. Maybe we better not break the bank this year, because has been a challenging year for all of us in one way or another. So with this Mercury going into Capricorn, we kind of take a second look and we're like, maybe we better step back a little bit and not, buy the store out. we better put some limits on our financial spending this season. It's pretty important and will keep us financially healthy. And then on Tuesday, the moon moves into Taurus. So on Tuesday, here's the question. This is Tuesday. This is December the 14th. Are your holiday decorations up yet? It is Tuesday, December 14th. Come on. Is your holiday shopping done yet? Are your gifts wrapped yet? Are any kind of holiday communications out yet? Have you planned the menu for the holiday meal yet? Moon in Taurus, it's like chop, chop, chop. Tuesday and Wednesday, let's get it done. This is our focus on Tuesday, December the 14th, and Wednesday, December the 15th. Get it done. Get ready for whatever holiday events or happenings that are coming up in our lives, so that we are not at the very last minute so anxious and have so many things left to do that we can't even enjoy ourselves. So Tuesday, Wednesday, get it done, get the holiday stuff wrapped up and ready to go. That's Tuesday and Wednesday. Now on Thursday of this week, on the 16th, there may be a holiday party or two in our future for today. And we want to go, and we are really enjoying it. We're going to enjoy socializing, mingling, laughing, chatting. But this is Sagittarian energy. We might overdo it. Actually, we'll have a tendency to overdo it. So don't be excessive, especially with the food and drink on Thursday, because Friday, December the 17th, we are going to experience the effects of our raucousness. Is that how you would say it? On Thursday night, of all our partying on Thursday. And if we weren't being responsible, Friday, we're going to remember what I said about being excessive on Thursday night. But then comes Saturday, December 18th. It's my birthday. I'm a Sagittarius. And it's also a full moon in Gemini. And this is the culmination of our affirmation this month of I set my goal of expansion. This is the culmination of what we have been working so diligently on, and we keep coming up with obstacle and challenges. And today with this full moon, oh my gosh, the energy is so supportive and encompassing. We can actually see the light at the end of our tunnel. We actually can see a bigger picture of what we're working on and the effects of what we're working on, how that's going to affect not only us, but those around us. Not only even those around us, maybe the entire whole. How can what I am doing with my life, how can that positively affect myself, those around me in the whole, and we feel it and we see it, and we are so darn excited about it. What a way to end our year this year before we move into our winter solstice on December the 21st, the Christian holiday Christmas on December the 25th. This full moon is the culmination of all the work we have done all freaking year long. So let's celebrate ourselves with this full moon. Let's celebrate those who have worked with us, supported us, nurtured us through this time, and who continue, because a lot of us aren't finished yet. We have a lot of work to do. But we have the support, we have the nurturing. And let's be thankful to those who have thrown wrenches, rocks, mean words, hurtful words. Let's thank them for making us stronger and more determined and more focused on our path, not allowing distractions to pull us off. Cool beans, cool beans. So, for this week ahead, we are gonna put until Saturday, we are gonna work on the logistics of the holiday and getting it done pretty much, right? Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Thursday, maybe a little partying. Don't be excessive, because Friday we will be paying for it one way or the other. So, all right. See your seeds grow. Spring. I thought that's what it said. Isn't that true? See our seeds grow. We can see them with this full moon. We can see what we have been able to accomplish so far. And we can see more clearly where we're going. Cool stuff. Lady, enjoy growth and reap rewards, right? Oh my gosh, Spirit is really into this with us on this full moon coming up on Saturday, this whole week, as what we've been working on and dedicating ourselves to starts to come to fruition for us, especially on the full moon. You know, the full moon is all about fruition. And then to close us out, moon, don't forget higher self. Don't forget our intuition. Don't forget to be checking in with higher self daily, at least for 5 minutes. Do the 3 breaths. Stay in that space of white light for 5 minutes. Please do it. And we will be able to connect into our intuition, the communication to us from the universe, directing and guiding us. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, I do have the 15-minute guided meditation out on the Soul Sister channel playlist if you need some help with meditation. Come see me on Soul Sister at Soul Sister Cat on Facebook for my daily inspirational messages. And have a great week. Get your shit done. Get everything ready for the holiday so we can enjoy it. Have a nice time at any holiday parties that we go to. Just don't overdo it. And then Saturday, enjoy the reap the rewards of our success and our movement forward. Celebrate us and how far we have come. Don't forget the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, folks, because it all starts here. Life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great week and have fun, but not too much. Namaste.